Hey, Allan Tsang here. I'm really excited to be speaking at the Virginia Council of CEOs. A lot of people think that negotiations are about power, coercion, or deception, but I approach it differently. The negotiation framework I use focuses on building rapport and helping everyone feel safe. Feeling safe helps us think more clearly, which in turn helps us develop more effective solutions. I'll be sharing a process driven system that is based on neuroscience. You can use it to make higher quality decisions. You'll also learn how to manage your emotions under stress, resolve difficult conflict, and grow your businesses. It's going to be fun, and I'm looking forward to meeting each and every one of you there. In the meantime, feel free to connect with me on LinkedIn.